if you are a traveler, chances are there that you will be having a GoPro. Now, if you are a serious traveler, then you will be having a couple of GoPro batteries, because at times you can just get exhausted with one of the main batteries, and you will want to have replacement immediately. So because when you are out, you can't really have access to a charger or electricity, things like that. So there is a limitation, and also charging a GoPro battery can take a few hours as well, which is the luxury you may not have. So for that, you should have these extra batteries. Now, talking about this battery is for GoPros 5, 6, 7, 8, so it's good for all. So even if you're upgrading to a newer version of GoPro, it will still be good. Unfortunately, this particular battery didn't work for me somehow. I have a GoPro 5, and I left it for charging for an hour, but it didn't charge for even 1 second. So I have returned this product to get a new one, but this is how the battery looks like. And the main battery which comes with your GoPro has a black that part of the plastic, while the replacement, I believe, has the blue one. And it just comes with that cardboard and that battery and this paper which tells you about the product. But this is a must get product if you are a serious traveler and a YouTuber maybe. So get a couple of these batteries, and yeah, travel safely and travel a lot more. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. You can support this travel and exploration YouTube channel by subscribing to it and sharing it with your friends and family. Thanks so much for watching.